Now let's do the cold operation. The cold machine is not currently turned on. Inside the compartment is 30.9 C. Now it is 30.1 C inside. We set -5 C. In about 15 minutes. Let's take a look at the temperature inside the truck. Display 10.9 C. Let's take a look at our process components. This is fiberglass. Insulation material, different shapes according to the box board. This is the processing technology of the thermal insulation board. It was hammered. The insulation board is not damaged in any way. Meat hanging roof installation.